Welcome. Glad to have you aboard. My name is Jake, and I'm going to do everything in my power to help you succeed with my software. You're just seconds away from making huge amounts of money every day. Check out below all the results this software has been producing for the first group of beta testers. Now is the moment for you to join the success. We're going to use the software to trade binary options. It's absolutely fine if you've never traded them in your life. All you need to do is follow the instructions, and you'll realize this isn't brain surgery. Just do what we show you, and everything will become clear to you. There is no need for any experience, and there is no danger of making a mistake, because the software will do everything for you. It only takes 60 seconds to start. Now, I need to stress the importance of following the next 3 simple steps. The first, and most important step, is submitting the registration form. Your spot is not secure until you have completed this step. Claim your spot now, because places are very limited and most of them have already been taken. This step will also ensure the proper activation of your software. After you register, you will be immediately redirected to our broker's website to deposit a sum of money. The software won't work for you if you don't have any balance in your account. So make sure to deposit at least the minimum amount of money in there. Now you can choose the amount that you are comfortable with. And remember, this is your money. You can get to it anytime you want. Then, once you've made a deposit, the trading software will be activated, and you will start enjoying profits in no time at all. So there you have it. Your software can only be accessed once you have completed these simple steps. It will only take 2 minutes of your time. So go ahead and sign up right away. Once you complete these simple steps, the software is yours, 100% free. So don't miss out on this. Once you're done with the registration process, you'll start making profitable trades in no time at all. Okay, so let's get started. Sign up at the broker right now. Don't delay, and begin to enjoy huge profits day in and day out. Thanks again, and good luck.